Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all most useful extensions for Edge and Chrome. First one I recommend is Evernote Clipper. This extension is really good and useful for submitting articles, simplifying complex articles and taking full page screenshots. This acts like a notebook, but it's online, more fast and reliable. As you can see, simplify articles, take full page, you can put a bookmark, etc. The next one is tempmail.org. Have you ever seen any place where you are stuck with the email registration process? But don't worry, Tempmail got that covered. Just register with Tempmail and that's it. Get the password. The next one is Blackbox. This extension is so good and it's a lifesaver because it allows you to take screenshots and convert those screenshots into texts. You have to sign in first and you take screenshots, simply convert them to texts. Really fast. I'm going to show is actually called Volume Master. It actually lets you reduce volumes of different tabs.
The app given the one which is best for me. App given also the latest code.
And it has night mode.
Down in the description.
Change the volume of different tabs.
And enable all these.
Because it lets you control different volumes of different tabs and different settings you want. That's it. If you wish for me to put these kind of short videos compiling all the useful tech you want, make sure you subscribe, click the bell icon to be notified, and click here to see the best and ultimate guide for Windows shortcut keys to make your life more easier and productive.